Welcome, this is my intro to using Goodnotes with your digital planner. So I'll go through a few of the basics that you need when you're starting off using your planner in Goodnotes, which is the app that I use and really like. I'm using my teacher planner to show you this, but it can be done on any of them. So I have my iPad, I have my Apple Pencil, and I've linked the details of what they are on the website, so you can have a look there. So what you're going to start off with is your planner, and you've imported it into Goodnotes, and it looks, when you come in, you'll see anything that you've got in Goodnotes. These are all my planners that I have, and so you just click on it and it will open up. Now, one of the first things to notice is your pen tool. So this pen tool can be clicked on and off. When it's got the line through it, that's when you can use any of the tools, but you can't use the tabs. So make sure that if you're wanting to click through the tabs, you've got your pen tool turned off, and then you can click through any of the tabs that you need. Okay, so the first thing that we have is turning off our pen tool. We have all of these tools at the top. So you've got your first one, which is your writing tool. So this will help you write, and I'll just get to a page where I can write. This will help you write. So you have here, you have the colors that you use, and if you click down, you can change the colors. You can add your own hex code in if you have a custom color that you want to use, or you can use any of the colors here. And here, you can change the thickness of it. So if I've got it on a fine point and a thick one and a thicker one. If you click here, you can change the sharpness and the sensitivity. You've got these options down here. What I really love about this is it doesn't matter if my palm's on here, it won't affect the writing. And you've got different pens that you can use. So fountain pen, ball pen, and a brush pen. That's really lovely if you're doing a bit of calligraphy. I generally use the fountain pen. It's just the one I prefer. So that's your pen tool. You have your eraser tool, which is great. So if you do something that you don't want, it's really quick just to erase it. And again, the thickness of your eraser can be adjusted. So if you've got something fine, you can make it smaller, or if you have a whole lot, you can do that. You've got your highlighter here, and again, there's different colors and different thicknesses that you can use. And it will always, if you're used to working in layers, the highlighter, once you've used it, will always go to the back layer. So if you can have a look here, you can see that when I do it, it's covered up, but when I take my pen off, the pen immediately comes to the top layer. Here you've got shapes that you can insert. If you do that and hold it, it will immediately go to a shape that you want, which is handy if you're not great at, to be a little bit more particular than that. If you hold your pen down, it will immediately go to the shape that you want. This tool, your lasso tool, you will use all the time. So this is great because if you click on it, draw a circle around, and then if you hold it down, you have all of these options. So you can resize, color, convert, cut, copy, delete, and then the other thing that you can do, which is really cool, is you can just move it wherever you want. So that will grab onto anything that you need, and you can move it, resize, reshape, cut, delete, whatever. I'll put back over there. This one is for inserting images. So if you click on that, it will take you to your photo album, and you can then insert any image that you want. So that was just a screenshot that I had in my photo album. And it will do that and insert anything that you need. This is your camera, you can take a picture. I don't often use that one. And this is a text box. So if you want to insert a text box into your, rather than handwriting, you can insert a text box in, and it will, you've got all your fonts here. You can import fonts into it, or you can just use the fonts that come with it, change the size, like you would on anything else, which is a really handy one. That's it. That is all of your tools. The other thing that people often ask me is, how do I insert pages? So you'll know that in my planners, turn my pen tool off, I include lots and lots of pages at the back that you can use to customize your planners. So one of the things people ask is, well, how do I actually use these pages or other pages? So it's a really easy way to do it. If you go to these 4 boxes at the side, it will bring up all of the thumbnails of your pages. So you can go and insert a page anywhere you need to. So if you click on, I'm going to insert my small group page. This is what I use in my teacher planner because I tend to plan for my small target groups at the beginning of every month. So I'm going to hit select. I'm going to put a tick on that one and I'm going to hit copy. It will copy it, click done, and then I can now go and put that page wherever I want. So for example, if I was setting up one of my tabs to be a small group tab, I could go to tab 7 and I would say add page after, paste page, and it's going to paste that page exactly where I want it. So if I go here, index, tab 7, here's my tab 7, and there's my small group page. Okay, I can delete, if I don't like those pages there, I can insert or delete any pages that I need to and duplicate any pages that I need to. So if you go back to this one and I do the down arrow, say I want more than just that one page, I can duplicate it and it will add that next page in again. If I've made a mistake and I don't want it, I can then go and trash it. So you can add, delete, duplicate any pages that you want to extra. My advice is don't delete any of the main pages that come with the planner because they're all hyperlinked in a certain order and it helps you navigate your planner. And once you start deleting hyperlinked pages, it will just mess up your planner. That's why it's always good to have, because you can reuse these planners, keep a normal version, and then when you go to use the version that you want to write in, actually make a copy of it. So you've got your normal version always saved as your original, and then the one that you can use as a copy of that. And that way, the next year, you've got your original there, you can make another copy and use it for the next year. So the last thing that I want to show you is how to use stickers, and there's 2 ways that you can do that. So one of the first ways, if you're using Goodnotes, is that you can actually import them into Goodnotes as a sticker sheet. So if we go here, and it's really easy because all you do is the same process that we did before. Use your lasso tool, go around, hold it, take screenshot, and this little icon up here, and you want to copy. Then you can go back to your planner, and you can hold it, paste, and you've got your sticker there. So you can resize it and put it wherever you want. Now all the stickers are pre-cropped, but if you want to take a little more off, you can do that just by holding it down. Oh. Crop. And it will help you bring those down and take a little bit more of the white space off if you want some more off. So that's the first way that you can do it. The next way that you can do it if you don't want to import your stickers into Goodnotes is once you've downloaded them onto your iPad, if you just pull up the menu here and come to your File button, hold that down, and you want to bring it over to the side. And this will have everything that you've downloaded and saved on your iPad. So I have a sticker folder here. Where's my teacher planner stickers? And I have all my stickers here, and it's really easy. You can just hold and bring over. And because they're all cropped already, they're there just to resize as you need them. So they're the 2 ways, really easy to, oh, I just deleted it. Really easy to get stickers into your planner. Those 2 ways, either import them into Goodnotes or have them on your iPad already, and you can pull them in. That's the same way that I also pull images in. So I will go up to here, come up to my Safari tab, pull it across, and I know that I've got images that I can then pull in the same way, hold it down, pull it over into my planner. And that's a great way to do your vision board also. So that is Goodnotes 101. That will get you started and that will help you with using your planner. It's really simple, really intuitive. You can do heaps with it and really make the planner your own. Enjoy.